Free, quick and easy way to add a ringtone into your Google Pixel. You go into Play Store, download the app My Files. After you download an app, which is this one, My Files, you go into it. You go into My Files. Imagine you have your songs in Bluetooth or downloads or music. You go in wherever you have your songs. Imagine I want this one. I hard press move, and then go back, go into ringtones and paste here. Alright, should be in here now. So you go back. After you do that, go into settings, go into sounds, phone ringtone, and then the one I added is here. So I add this one, press OK, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe if you want more videos. Thank you. Bye.